Here I've got the backpack water. I've got 15 liters of water in here, about 4 gallons. What I'm going to use this for is to fertilize my garden. All I need to use is 4 tablespoons in one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons of fertilizer, and I'm ready to go. So first I watered the plants to kind of soak the roots a little bit. The only thing that's being fertilized right now are my vegetables. A little fertilizer goes a long way. When I start feeling a little bit less pressure, I give it a few pumps. So I've just fertilized, and I've
just 2 beds.
2 beds, wasted not a drop of fertilizer. I can come over to my peas, and again, just kind of go down the line. Give my rhubarb a little shot of fertilizer. One, I have complete control over the amount of water, so I know exactly 4 gallons and exactly 4 tablespoons. So I've got my fertilizer mix exactly right. I'm not attached to any hose. If my hose doesn't reach this far, and I can water a whole line of whatever I'm going to plant in here. And then I can move quickly and easily. Shot of fertilizer. They're already watered. I know they're already saturated at the root zone, so they're just getting a little bit of fertilizer. They're just new plants, so they've got no. I want to fertilize my grapes. Without the WIserWand, I would have come out here with my wheelbarrow full of water. I wouldn't be able to water underneath the mulch. So these are way too far for my hoses to reach. But once they get established, I won't have to come out and water them. They're in a nice shady place. I've got a little Douglas fir, and all he needs is just a little bit of water. I transplanted a slightly bigger one. No matter how small or how big they are, to make it through the dry season with very little effort from me. We got new growth, and hopefully that'll be a nice established tree. I'll never have to water it again. So the backpack water with the WIserWand, I use hardly any water. I mean, it's kind of funny that I've just come out here and given this tree a few cups of water, and it'll make it through an entire summer. I wish I had more trees to water.
You'll have to plant some more. You got a lot of land too.
I started too late.